Want to declare or change your major or minor? Here's how. Start by logging into SOLS using your UOW username and password. You may also be asked to complete multi-factor authentication. Simply approve the login request through your registered device when prompted. Once verified, you'll be taken to your SOLS dashboard. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the menu on the left. Select Enrollment, then choose Major Maintenance. Depending on your course, you may be able to declare up to 2 majors. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to check your course handbook to understand the requirements and structure of your degree. To declare or change a major, simply select your preferred option from the drop-down menu next to the major field, and then click Submit. Can't find the major you're looking for? Don't stress. It may not be an approved major for your course, or it may require a separate application. If you need to change a major or declare a minor that isn't available in SOLS, you'll need to submit an online form. You can access this form through the UOW Student Forms and Applications webpage, or click the link in the description below this video. Simply fill in your details and click Continue. Your application will then be sent to the appropriate team for assessment and approval. And that's it. If you need help navigating study, check out our support videos and resources linked below in the description.